Date July 24th, 2025. A Federal High Court affirmed authentic Board of Trustees of ALGON. The Federal High Court of Nigeria, Abuja Judicial Division, sitting in Abuja and presided over by Honorable Justice Obiora Atuegu Egwato, has on the suit number FHC/ABJ/CS/1980/2024 delivered a landmark judgment authenticating the following individual as the duly recognized incorporated trustee of the Association of Local Government of Nigeria, ALGON, which the membership are represented for the 6 geopolitical zones of Nigeria as enshrined in the ALGON Constitution. 1. Honorable Shaban Shoaibu, the chairman from North Central. Honorable Chukudi Fred Ezinwa, secretary from Southeast. Honorable Ben Solomon Kure, public relation officer, PRO, Northwest. Honorable Ugo Gabriel, member, South-South. Honorable Hassan Sani, member, Northeast. Honorable Adeni Adeagbo, member, Southwest. Following this judicial pronouncement, we hereby call on the attention of the general public, the Nigerian Governors Forum, all ALGON representatives across the 36 states and FCT, all ministries, departments, and agencies, MDAs, to the fact that Honorable Odunaya Ategberu and his associates are not members of the ALGON Board of Trustees. Consequently, we strongly advise that all official engagements and correspondence with aforementioned person on behalf of ALGON BoT be ceased forthwith. We commend His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu and the Attorney General of Federation of their unwavering commitment to strengthening democracy and governance through the advancement of local government council autonomy. This critical reform is essential for enhancing rural development and ensuring effective service delivery at the grassroots level. We respectfully appeal to Mr. President to continue to support the full implementation of local government autonomy in line with the constitutional provision for inclusive governance and national development. Thank you, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Under the
He corrected it.
It's provision.
He corrected that. I love that. Provision.
Money to come in.
Ben will talk on that.
Let me ask. It was said.
For
the time fashi a inda kisafar suke ne a kilo.
Allah ya kiyaye.
Wallahi.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The last part of the first paragraph.
Yes.
Last part of the first part. Is doing it at your own risk, go?
On their own risk. Because
there is not one person
It's just
at any risk.
No, I'm just thinking.
Yeah, doing otherwise.
Dakata, my love.
let's agree. Let's know.
With their
Just put a simple line.
Like this.
It's a song. Nigeria economy will be great again under the.
Thank you and God bless.
Sorry.